About your Jainism. When it's originated? How many years old? Which century? You have any idea?
Jainism is
Mahavir Jain.
Mahavir Swami. We are followers of Mahavir Swami, and it's old. It's not old, but it's very ancient. Jainism is very ancient religion, and our God Mahavir Swami were 2050, 500 years ago.
500 years ago.
2500 ago. He born and he taught us about Jainism principles. Our main principle is non-violence, not to hurt anyone. Wherever you sit, wherever you walk, you should see any microorganism, any ant should not hurt by us.
No, it's not that. Very specific.
We go everywhere by walk only.
You just clean everything.
Yes, we go. 4 months in rainy season we stay at one place. 8 months we wander in all over India. We can go and we go by walk only. We don't use any vehicles or nothing. We go by walk only.
About the food, you say food. Plants also have got living. You don't believe on that. Plant. You eat food. There is nothing wrong. You take what food you take?
We take boiled food.
Boiled food.
Boiled food, vegetables, boiled vegetables. We don't take direct vegetables. Raw vegetables. We don't eat raw vegetables.
What you say is even these plants have this having this living being. No, they have that.
Everything is living being.
But they also got life. No, but we're eating plants. No.
For our body, for our lifespan, we should eat.
For survival. That's
for
what.
Survival,
Okay, that's what survival. What you're saying is correct. That's for survival. This ants also, as you had said, this because I also feed biscuits to ants somewhere wherever I go. I feed them because, as you said, these ants also having a life, small life, it's like same like us. So you should respect them. Nothing wrong. What is you are giving so much importance to minute living being.
Every living being.
Every
From small
not
to
only
big, every living being we have to give value to every living being.
Every living being.
Air, plants, in air also microorganisms are there.
Plants system.
Then fire. In that also.
Then apart from this preaching, what did you teach? Non-violence about
we teach
thinking.
non-violence. We teach principles of Lord Mahavir.
Mahavir.
We should not hurt anyone.
I should not hurt.
We teach minimalism. Minimalism. We should keep not keep much money. Just we don't have money. We wander all over India by walk and we don't have money. Just be minimalism. We have only 3 dresses.
3 dresses.
3 dresses. Only 3 dresses we wear. Only 3 dresses. मतलब कम से कम चीज है.
How would the center is it spread in India? So,
all over India.
All over India.
20,000 Jain sadhu sadhvis are there. Jain nuns and monks are there.
20,000.
Yes.
Okay. They take care of you everything. This monks.
मतलब Jainism people who follows Jainism, they take care of us. Like here also the 80.
Jainism males they don't dress something. It's different. Male Jain.
They also wear white only.
But human males doesn't.
They keep this open.
Male people don't wear dress. Is it Jainism?
Same. White dress only. They also wear.
They don't wear dress, no?
They are different. They are Digambar Jain.
That Digambar Jain.
Shwetambar Jain wear clothes and Digambar Jain don't.
Digambar Jain is different.
Yes, they don't wear clothes.
It's a different. Same. It comes in your category.
Principles are same. Just they don't wear clothes. We wear.
Just your idea is to love all living being, God's creation. What do you think of God? How will God will be look like? What is your idea about God?
God is in our inside only, not outside. God is inside.
God is inside. Oh, God is not outside.
Every soul is God.
Every soul is God.
Every soul has power to become God.
Every soul power to get. How to reach God? What is the principles? If you want to attain liberation, what does your
liberation? You should do non-violence. You should practice non-violence. You should not hurt anyone, and you should practice more and more meditation. And what to tell? मतलब सब चीज में limitation. Control yourself. Control your 5 sense organs. Controlling in everyone. If you will control everything, then you will
self-control. You have to control everything. Yes. Everything, anger, lust, greed. Control all the external. Thank you much. Okay, thank you. I'm just focusing myself. Okay, thank you. That's good.